Your social media feed is a relentless parade of satisfying cleaning videos that make deep-seated bathroom grime look like a minor inconvenience. You have likely seen those clips where a thick white foam is applied to jet black mold and then rinsed away seconds later to reveal pristine white grout. It feels like a magic trick. The product leading this charge is a mold gel that promises a world where you never have to scrub a bathroom corner again. This sounds like a dream for anyone staring at a moldy shower. But we have to look past the high-speed editing. We need to look at the chemistry. Most of these viral cleaners are essentially high-concentration bleach. It is just delivered in a gel or foam vehicle. This is not some secret laboratory breakthrough. It is just clever delivery. The foam is the real hero here. It has high viscosity. That means it sticks to vertical surfaces instead of dripping down into the drain. This allows the active ingredients to sit on the mold for a long time. This is what professionals call dwell time. Without dwell time, bleach cannot do its job properly. So the core concept is actually sound. It works because it stays put. Some users say it feels exactly like shaving cream. You apply it. You wait about 10 minutes. The stains literally fade away before your eyes. In that sense, the product is legitimate. It performs the task it claims to do. But here is the catch. The marketing is where things start to feel a bit shady. The ads use every trick in the book to create a sense of frantic urgency. They show before and after shots that look almost too good to be true. They use countdown timers on their websites. This is the hallmark of a classic dropshipping business model. They take a common chemical formula. They wrap it in shiny new branding. Then they charge a premium price. You are paying for the convenience of seeing it in your feed. You can go to any big box hardware store and find a heavy-duty bleach foam for much less money. It will likely give you the exact same result. There is also the issue of the smell. This is not a mountain breeze or a floral scent. It is a powerful, eye-watering chemical odor. If you use this in a tiny bathroom without a window, you are going to have a hard time. You must have proper ventilation. You also have to be patient. If you spray this on and wipe it off immediately, nothing will happen. The magic only happens during that 10-minute wait. The product is not a miracle. It is just a stronger version of what you might already have under your sink. It is heavily overhyped. It is functionally effective but overpriced. Do not let the flashy videos distract you from the logic. Compare it to the generic versions first. Stay skeptical of anything that claims to work instantly with zero effort. Cleaning still requires a bit of strategy. Even if the gel does the heavy lifting, you still have to manage the process. Be smart about where you spend your cash. Most of the time, the boring bottle at the store is just as good as the one with the viral ad campaign. Keep your expectations grounded. The grout will get clean, but the process is far less magical than the internet wants you to believe. Just because a video is satisfying to watch does not mean the product is a revolution. It is just bleach in a fancy outfit. Use a mask, open a window, and don't overpay for the hype.